Remember cartoons? Those delightful, colorful stories that filled our childhood with joy and wonder? Making them used to be hard. It required immense skill, patience, and countless hours of meticulous work. Artists had to draw each frame by hand, one after another, to create the illusion of movement. It was a laborious process that demanded precision and dedication, but not anymore. Thanks to the advancements in technology, AI has revolutionized the world of animation. It's like having a magical assistant that brings your creative visions to life. AI helps us make cartoons easily and efficiently. It automates the tedious tasks, allowing artists to focus on the creative aspects of storytelling. No more drawing every tiny movement. AI can generate smooth transitions and realistic motions, saving countless hours of work. Now anyone can tell stories with animation. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a beginner, AI-powered tools make it accessible for everyone. Tools like Plotagon make it fun and simple. With intuitive interfaces and powerful features, you can create professional quality animations without needing advanced skills. Ready to start? Let's go! Dive into the world of animation and unleash your creativity. With AI by your side, the possibilities are endless. Plotagon is an app. It helps you make animations. It's like playing with digital puppets. The screen is easy to understand. You'll see buttons and menus. Everything is labeled clearly. Don't be scared. It looks complicated, but it's not. Plotagon is designed for everyone. Open Plotagon. Click New Project. Exciting, right? You're about to become a director. Choose a name for your project. This helps you keep track of your work. Now you're in the Plotagon studio. It's time to build your animation world. First, pick a scene. Plotagon has many backgrounds: a school, a park, even outer space. Next, choose your characters. Plotagon has many options. You can even customize them. Change their clothes, hair, and more. Make them unique to your story. Have fun with it. Section 5. Breathing life with dialogue. In this section, we will explore how to make your characters come alive by giving them a voice. Dialogue is a powerful tool in storytelling, and with the right techniques, you can make your animations more engaging and dynamic. Now your characters need to talk. Click on a character to start. This is the first step in bringing your characters to life. By selecting a character, you are preparing them to deliver their lines and interact with other characters in your story. Type what you want them to say. Think about the dialogue carefully. What do you want your characters to convey? Is it a piece of crucial information, an emotional confession, or a witty remark? The words you choose will shape your characters' personalities and the overall narrative. You can even choose how they say it. This is where you can add depth to your characters. Select the appropriate emotions to match the dialogue. Whether they are happy, sad, angry, or excited, the tone of their voice will enhance the impact of their words. Happy, sad, angry, it's up to you. Plotagon uses text-to-speech technology to bring your characters' voices to life. This feature allows you to experiment with different emotions and tones, making your characters more relatable and realistic. Your characters will speak your words out loud. Cool, right? Imagine the possibilities. You can create dialogues that are funny, dramatic, or even suspenseful. With text-to-speech, you have the flexibility to craft unique voices for each character, adding another layer of creativity to your animations. Remember, the way your characters speak can significantly influence how your audience perceives them. Pay attention to the nuances of their speech and the emotions behind their words. This will help you create more compelling and memorable characters. Dialogue is not just about words, it's about interaction. How do your characters respond to each other? How do they react to different situations? By carefully crafting your dialogue, you can create dynamic interactions that drive your story forward and keep your audience engaged. So, take your time and experiment with different dialogues and emotions. Review your scenes and see how the dialogue flows. Make adjustments as needed to ensure that your characters' voices are authentic and impactful. With practice, you'll become more adept at using dialogue to breathe life into your characters. Whether you're creating a comedy, drama, or action-packed adventure, the right dialogue can make all the difference. So go ahead, let your characters speak, and watch your animations come to life. Section 6. Adding sound and music magic. Sound makes your animation better. Plotagon has a library of sound effects. Add footsteps, doorbells, or animal noises. Make your animation come alive. You can also add music. Choose from Plotagon's library or upload your own songs. Section 7, sharing your masterpiece. You've put in the hard work, creativity, and dedication to bring your vision to life. Now it's time to share your creation with the world. Finished your animation? Great job. Completing an animation is no small feat, and you should be proud of what you've accomplished. Take a moment to celebrate your success. Now, you can share it with the world. Click Export. This is the first step in getting your masterpiece out there for others to see and appreciate. Choose the video format you want. Different platforms may require different formats, so select the one that best suits your needs. Whether it's MP4, AVI, or another format, make sure it's compatible with where you plan to share it. Plotagon will create your video file. This process might take a few moments, so be patient. The software is compiling all your hard work into a shareable format. Now you can upload your animation to YouTube, social media, or any other platform of your choice. Sharing your work online can help you reach a wider audience and get feedback from viewers around the world, or share it with friends. You can also send the video file directly to friends and family via messaging apps or email. Sharing your animation with those close to you can be incredibly rewarding, as they get to see the fruits of your labor firsthand. Engaging with your audience is an important part of sharing your work. Respond to comments, take in feedback, and enjoy the interaction with those who appreciate your creativity. This can also help you grow as an animator. Keep an eye on the performance of your video. Most platforms provide analytics that can give you insights into how your video is being received. This information can be valuable for your future projects. Finally, use the feedback and data to improve and inspire your next project. Sharing your masterpiece is not just the end of a journey, but the beginning of a new one. Keep creating, keep sharing, and continue to grow as an artist. Section 8, Plotagon, your gateway to animation. See, making animations is easy with Plotagon. No drawing skills needed. Plotagon is a great tool for beginners. It's also powerful enough for experienced animators. So, what are you waiting for? Download Plotagon and start animating today. Section 9, unleash your creativity. Tell your own stories, create funny skits, make educational videos. The possibilities are endless. Animation is a powerful tool. It can make people laugh, think, and feel. With Plotagon, you have the power to create. Go out there and make something amazing.